Hello and welcome to Do-It-Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to change Relumino outline color in Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus phone. Where to look for our Relumino outline options. So first we need to go to settings. Then in settings we're looking for accessibility options menu. Then we need to go at the top to vision enhancements. And next we're looking for the Relumino outline menu. Yes, so on the right here we have the switch to turn it on or off, and when we open this menu here, as you can see, we have different colors of our outline. When we enable this option, we can see how it changes. We have, of course, the adaptive option, black, white, and green here. And that's pretty much it. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye.